In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Wayfair Affiliation, CJ account approval tips. We'll start by getting your CJ affiliate account set up, then apply to the Wayfair program, and I'll share practical tips to help your application get approved smoothly. First, open your browser and search for CJ affiliate to find the official site. On the homepage, click Login, and on the login screen, choose the link to sign up for a new account. You'll be asked to choose your account type. If you plan to promote products and earn commissions, select the partner or publisher option. Then click Sign Up to continue. Begin the process by verifying your email. Use an email address you check often and look for the verification message right away. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. After confirming your email, select your language and your country. Make sure these match your actual business location because they'll affect compliance and payment setup later. Now enter your email, create a strong password, confirm it, complete the I'm not a robot check and click submit. Next, you'll fill in your account details to activate your profile. Provide accurate contact information, your website, or primary social channel, and describe how you plan to promote offers. This is where approval often hinges, so be specific and professional. If you have a website, ensure it's live, has original content, clear navigation, and includes a privacy policy and an affiliate disclosure. Briefly outline your niche, audience, and traffic sources and complete your tax and payment info to prevent delays. Consistency between your site content and your stated promotional methods helps your application. Once your CJ account is approved, log into your dashboard. In the navigation, go to Advertisers and search for Wayfair. Open the program profile and review their terms. Look at commission structure, cookie duration, allowed traffic sources, and any restrictions on paid search or social ads. When you're ready, click Apply to Program. If there's a space to add a note, use it to highlight your audience and how you'll feature Wayfair's products in a compliant, value-driven way. From here, approval may take a few days to a week. Keep your site updated, respond promptly to any messages from the network, and make sure your contact details remain accurate. If you're approved, you'll see Wayfair in your active programs and can begin using their links. And that's the process to secure Wayfair affiliation through CJ, with tips to give your application the best chance of success.